Okay, let's dive in. The world is coming to San Pedro, but the real story? Well, it starts right now. This is it, a 2-year runway. It's a huge window of opportunity before the 2028 Olympics land here.
Yep, the contracts are signed, the concrete's pouring. San Pedro is absolutely getting ready for the global stage.
The port is building all this amazing hardware. But that leaves a huge gap. So, who's building the software?
Let's zoom in on one building answering that, because its story really represents the whole city's transformation. You know, this building has lived so many lives, kind of like the town itself. But every dream eventually just walked away.
But then, in 2024, the new owners saw something else. They looked right past the decay and saw a heartbeat.
And this project is a legacy. The Don Allen Experience isn't some corporate name. It is a real promise.
After over 18 years together, they realized they didn't have forever to build a legacy for their son.
And man, the renovation was brutal. Budgets just exploded. The weight of it all became terrifying. Despair set in.
But then, a small voice cut right through the dust, reminding them why they started. So they grabbed sledgehammers.
It's called Voxel, named for tech that sees inside the body. It's like an X-ray for your business's soul.
So Voxel is where local businesses can finally build their software, their voice, before the world gets here. And what's the goal? To give local stories a truly global reach, right from a San Pedro basement.
Okay, so here's the bottom line. The stage is being built for the world. A home for stories is ready.
So when the world searches for San Pedro in 2028, what story are you going to let them find?